Rona, can't cough if you wrong me. Persona, switch it, then repeat. No way, she make it bounce and then repeat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video and we hit 1k guys, and I'm so happy about it. I'm just over 1k, so I'm like 1.01k, whatever it says. You guys have seen it. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing, keep doing everything. Today we're gonna talk about bossing up. Today's video is literally gonna be on how I started my lash business. If you know me, then I literally launched a lash business like 2 days ago and I completely sold out. So in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how all of my packaging and stuff and websites and the back, everything is there. I'm literally about to show you guys how I started my lash business with little to no money. Well, what little to no money means to me, because my little to no money may be a lot to you but not to me, do you know what I mean? Okay, so guys, I have my notepad on my leg with all of my notes for this video. I also keep all of my business ideas, plans, everything about my business inside this notepad, so yeah. Okay, the first thing you want to do is start looking for vendors. Like, I actually hit the jackpot. I will be so real with you. I hit the jackpot when it came to finding my vendor. Like, I tried one vendor and I loved it. Like, I loved it. Like, I ain't ever seen anybody selling the type of lashes that I am selling. Like, so I hit the bloody jackpot, mate. I'll be so real with you. And I only tried one vendor. People will tell you to try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100 vendors, but I literally only tried one and I came out lucky, and that was God, guys. That is what God can do for you. If you're looking for a lash vendor, then some people use AliExpress, but AliExpress is too long. Like, I'm not waiting a month for my lashes type of thing, and I feel like Alibaba is the better option. Like, they're so quick, there's so many vendors, they're just quick, and I like efficiency. So, but anyways, so when I actually approached this vendor, I looked at all of their styles. They had like a whole tray of styles that I could choose from, and yeah, I chose my favorite 5. I wanted to start my lash business with 5 styles. After I chose those 5 styles, I literally ordered them, but I ordered the 5 styles twice so I could test them out, model them, do everything I could. Like, I was doing everything because we're trying to build a business on a budget, baby. Like, you know what I mean? So I'm styling them, I'm wearing them, and taking videos on them. I'm posting that. I made an Instagram page, but we're gonna get onto that a bit later. Once you found your vendor, you've tried them out, you've seen how they stick, how long they last, how it is taking glue off it, how they take different glue, you've done everything like that, and you 100% like the lashes, it's go time, baby. When it comes to finding eyelash packaging, I actually managed to find a vendor that sold boxes that I like. So when I order from my vendor, I actually, my lashes come in the boxes that I want them in and the trays that I want them in, so I don't have to go somewhere else and find them. These are the boxes that my lashes come in. They're marble, they're plain. I already had my packaging for my vendor, so I was on to the next thing. I needed labels. I have about 250 labels right here that I use on my lash boxes, because I don't know about you, but like most vendors, they won't customize your boxes unless you order a certain amount, but I wasn't actually going to buy like 250 boxes like, or worth of lashes, not knowing if I was going to sell them or not. So I have labels right here. They're transparent, they're from AliExpress. I had a AliExpress vendor create my labels, and it was quick. They're nice, they're cute. I'm gonna attach what they look like on the boxes. So yeah, those are the labels that I use on my products. I actually also will be using these for when I launch my lip gloss line. Like, let me tell you this, my lash line was actually supposed to be a lip gloss like business to begin with, but I thought, let me start a lash company because I'm so obsessed with them. I know what good lashes are. I do makeup, I do my own makeup as well, and I was thinking, why not? I mean, some people may feel as though that it's really saturated, a lot of people do it, but one thing about me is I'ma do it regardless. Like, if I want to do it, I'ma do it. Like, and if I do it, I'ma do it big, period. Like, I'm very serious about my businesses. Both of them that I launched 2 days ago, it's like I brought 2 new babies into the world, and I take them personal. Like, I'm literally watching them grow. I care about them so much. Anyway, sorry, back onto the labels. So yeah, I had these labels from AliExpress. I also create my own posting labels. Like, you're gonna need labels to actually stick on your bubble mailers with like your customers' details on it on the front, like their address and name, what have you. So yeah, I create those myself, but you can actually pay places like PayPal for packaging labels and things like that, but I don't like paying for stuff, so I do everything by myself. Like, I get asked a lot, who did this for you? Who done that for you? Did you make this yourself? Yes. Next thing is the website. And with websites, I've watched many YouTube videos. Like, some people start with like Big Cartel, which I think, I haven't used it so I don't know, but I think it's a cheaper option to begin with. And I mean, people are really like, they're doing their thing on there, like they're creating a lot of sales and what have you, so it must be good. However, me, if I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it big from the start, regardless whether I have money or not. I will go find that money. So I started with Shopify, and let me tell you this, Shopify is amazing. I love it. Like, I created my own website, I did it all. Let me show you. All 5 lash styles are on here, but all 5 lash styles are out of stock, which I'm so grateful for. But I just wanted to show you guys, making a website was really easy for me. Like, you can customize it exactly how you want. Like, if you guys actually head on over to my website, then you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Like, it's completely customized to how my brands are. Both of my brands are pink. I did want to do 2 different colors, however I ended up just choosing pink for both of them because that's my favorite color. My website, I wanted to combine both my hair page and lash page together, but in 2 different collections, because I already told you guys I didn't have money to be paying, what is Shopify, like £23 a month, 20 something pound a month. I actually didn't have money to be buying, like to be paying monthly for 2 websites. So I ended up putting both of my businesses onto the same website. However, the website is dominantly for my wig business, because that is the business that I wanted to do first, type of thing. But you can find Sade Beauty Cosmetics on the same website in the collection called Sade Beauty Cosmetics. But yeah, I'm not talking for myself, but I'm pretty sure that you can pay people to design your websites, to do this, to do that, but I really like to do everything myself. I'm so independent. If I don't know something, I'll find a way to know. Like, I'll find out how. Like, I teach myself, I learn a lot. Shopify is actually good. Like, you can see everything is so clear. How you design your website is so clear. All your orders, products, everything is so clear, and it's like, I would show you what it looks like, but I can't actually show you what my orders and that look like because all of my customers' details are on there, and that's not okay to do on YouTube. Okay, so this is my favorite part. This part I started, it didn't take a lot of money to actually do this. My packaging for my lashes, I went on the cheaper side, if you know what I mean. However, I did buy things like like thank you cards. I mean, I don't have business cards yet, but I will in the future. So I'm quickly gonna talk about my actual posting packaging, like how I actually package my products to be posted. These are two of my styles. I don't have labels on them yet. I told you we're starting on a budget, baby. But I already know from looking at them that this is Smoke and this is Bernice. I have these little, what do you call these? I don't know what you call these, but these are really cute. They're little like, they're little gift bags. I thought it was an opening. They're little gift bags and I love them. Like, they're so cute. They make my packaging so adorable. Then what I have is I have these gems. If you go onto my Lash page, Sade Beauty Cosmetics, you'll see that there's a whole like pink, silver, gem type of theme going on, and I have some pink mini gems. I have some pink mini gems over here, and I have some big transparent gems. And what I do is I basically put a tiny little handful of these and a handful of these into the goodie bag, and it just takes it from cheap to, I don't even know what word I'm looking for, but it looks good. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this is basically what it will look like in the bag. I was initially supposed to have some shredded like crepe paper for the gems to sit on. It just didn't turn up in time for this video. So yeah, they'll be in the bag like this. I don't put too many gems in there because I feel like people just throw the bag away, and yeah, so I'm not gonna put too much in there. Then guys, what I managed to get my hands on is some business cards, some thank you cards. I keep saying business cards. I don't have business cards yet, but I have some thank you cards. I have some for both of my businesses. Let's hope this is the right one. Nope. Okay, so these are my business cards for, these are my thank you cards. These are my thank you cards for Sade Beauty Cosmetics. These go in the box, these go in the bag, and then on the back it's just simple, it's cute, and I love them. And what I do when I package my parcels, and then I'll stick that in the front right here, just like this. Then I'll tie the bag up like that. How cute is that, guys? However, I do need to invest in getting some name labels for my lashes, but I will be doing that in the future. After I've packaged all my orders and they all look cute like this, they then go into the bubble mailers. You can get these in pink, blue, yellow, orange, gold, holographic, silver, everything, okay? And I chose silver ones because I didn't know what color I wanted my business to be at the time when I ordered them. However, I do know that I want it to be pink now, but I'm kind of feeling the silver ones. They literally just slip in like that, then yeah, you seal them off, and then I'll stick my little postage label on the front. I make those myself because I'm not paying for them. Yeah, created a theme for my lashes. The page is pink, it looks pretty, everything, there's nothing ugly on there. Like, I post a lot of what I'm doing, like it's a typical business page, except like not everyone's quality is clear, but mine is clear. Everything is clear, it's laid out, it's cute, it's pretty, it's tidy. I feel like my business page being laid out the way it was also played a big part as to why people actually were buying from me, because me personally, I'm not gonna buy from a page that looks scruffy or looks ugly or yeah, just don't look good. Like, I'm not doing that. But my page, I make sure it's all cute, there's a tiny little theme or whatever. Your Instagram page for your business is really important. I do really feel like that contributed as to why I actually sold out in less than 24 hours, because other than the fact that God is great, he's amazing, marketing wise, I have not actually marketed my business, and it's really bad because I feel as though if I know what I need to do in terms of marketing, then my business will literally go zoom. Like, my followers will start going up and what have you, because if you haven't realized, if you actually head on over to my page, I don't even have 200 followers on the page yet. I haven't even got 200 followers on the page yet. I still done well on my launch. So I feel as though that once I get the grasp of marketing, then yeah, the ball will start rolling. But yeah, in this series I'm literally going to be taking you guys through everything. You're going to see how I package, ship, make labels, sort out orders, make like everything. Okay, I'm going to be doing everything. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys everything. But I'm due to do a do's and don'ts video. I'm due to do a do's and don'ts video of starting a lash business or any type of business, because on my launch day 2 days ago I made some rookie mistakes. That I'm talking about rookie mistakes. I feel as though I watched 1,000 videos on launching a lash business and I still didn't find out certain things that I needed to know, if you know what I mean. But I found out by myself. It's all a learning process type of thing, and I love learning, like, so that's what I'm here for. Like, I'm here to help you guys. But yeah guys, if you have any other video suggestions, drop them down in the comment section below. Like, don't be scared, I actually answer everything. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'm happy, I'm excited, like, gotta keep pushing. Hit 1k now. Next milestone is 10k. I don't actually know when I'll get there, but hopefully soon, because I'm trying to become real consistent. But yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you follow my Lash page. I'm gonna leave the name right here. And make sure you follow my social medias, like my personal social media.